This is an unboxing of the Psvita Little Deviants bundle pack. Brand new. Just got it now.
For $2.99 at Best Buy.
Nice blue box. Oh, Psvita box inside.
Show what's on the side.
A bunch of stuff in here. 4 gig memory card. Some books. Play cards, whatever play cards are. Card case. It's a case you can't get in the stores, you can only get in the bundle.
Open it up.
And storage for games.
Other side, back.
That's the case. You get the game Little Deviants. I also got Uncharted. Show you what the cartridges look like. This is the cartridge for the Vita. Basically an SD card. And now we're gonna unbox the console itself.
And with the games, there's no books included for the games.
The manuals are boring anyways.
They show pictures, though. And they show you controls. You can get it off.
Hey. Welcome to the world of PlayStation. Quick start guide. Holy crap.
One big quick start.
And quick start guide in French. Here's the PS Vita itself.
Wait. Ah, I can make it.
Brand new PS Vita. The trackpad on the back camera, forward camera, serial number, headphone, memory card holder, joysticks.
Not that good. The joysticks aren't that good.
And the cartridge. Now let's see.
For the games, that's what he's talking about, cartridge.
Here's the power cord. 2-prong. And here's the cord. That plugs into the system. This is what the plug looks like. And then USB port. And that's the PS Vita. Hope you like this video.
Hold it up in the camera, quick. Hold it up in the camera. Don't stop it yet.